How to log in American Express corporate credit card. If you want to log into American Express corporate card, then you can follow along. Start by opening your default web browser in your device and search for American Express corporate card login in the search bar. Tap on the link that says login to my account. As soon as you get into this link, you'll be taken to the home page. On the top right side of the screen, you'll find a login button. Tap on it and then you'll be taken to the login page. Enter your user ID in the user ID section and enter your password in the password section. Select account type and finally tap right on Remember Me. And finally tap on Sign In. There are other options like Sign Up, which you can tap to sign up for a new account, and also you can tap on Recover username/password to sign up for a new account. And this is everything you need to know about logging into American Express corporate card. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.